part, it's just a huge networking opportunity for all the students.
Networking is everything. Aviation, hear it time and time again, it's all about who you know.
I want to thank Ohio State for hosting us. Give them a round of applause. So enjoy Columbus. Most of all, be safe. Make new friends and meet somebody you didn't know. All right, for an on-time start and on-time departure, we'll get the party rolling, guys.
There's two different types. There's flying competition and ground events competition.
I feel good and excited that everyone is here, like physically, like actually being able to see like all of the different planes like parked out on the tarmac with like different schools lined up.
This is a very massive event with a ton of planes.
It's great that we're gonna meet some of the people that we'll be sharing the skies with.
So you have precision landings, navigation competitions, and everyone comes together and say who's the best, basically. So.
For us, it's our way of contributing back to the industry.
Everyone's here to win, hit the zero line.
It's just great to be back in person, talking to people, sharing stories, remembering old times.
That's definitely been a great experience, getting to meet new people from all over the country. It's great.
They're competing, they're kind of pushing themselves and just trying to become a better pilot.